These are so stinking cute. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we are doing a review of these cute little St. Patrick's Day table decorations. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Now you may notice I put one together. These ones I have not put together yet. I'm going to put them all together and show you what they all look like when put together. So they come with this little cardboard piece. What I did find interesting, and I want to point out because some of you, it might drive you nuts. When you flip it over, it's mirrored. I guess that would work if you're using your front-facing camera. Then it wouldn't be mirrored. Anyway, I just thought that was funny. But so it comes with those, and then it comes with this, which is the base piece, and has a little tape on it. So you basically tape this, open them up, tape the other side, and then you can use them as little table decorations or whatever you would like. I'm going to go ahead and put them all together and show you what they look like. Now, because you tape both sides of these, you can't close them. Once they're open, they're open. So I would consider these to be more like a one-time use thing than a use every year type of thing. Still super cute. Let me put them all together. So here they all are, all put together. They're really, really cute. I've always liked the little things here that open up. I don't know, it just reminds me of like the decorations of when I was younger. Like I said, as a reminder, any of the ones that have writing on them, when you turn them around, it's going to be reversed. So I made sure to set them all. Look at even this one. Now it's reversed. But these would be really cute. You could set them on a table. You could set them on your mantelpiece. Set them up for a little photo shoot. Just some fun little St. Patrick's Day decorations. Again, I would consider these to be a one-time use. But if you're looking for something fun, cute, and festive for St. Patrick's Day, I like these. They're going to go all over my house. I like this. We approve of this.